What's going on, everybody? Soliaker here, and we are going to be going into a three-part section of of Deputy Nelson. I'm guessing it's Prieto. I'm guessing. I'm not sure, but anyway, this is going to be all his body cam footage, and we're going to get into this, and yeah, we're going to get into it. That's all I can say. Just so that you know, I did happen to find this section, and it specifically talks about bridge fishing. That is what the ordinance was about. The ordinance was not even about fishing in a park. It's about fishing off of bridges. I will roll a clip just before we start into the body cams, where I do start this Deputy Nelson's body cams is from when Stephen Davis walks away. So you're going to see the beginning part. Davis is there and he walks away, and then from that, pretty much that point on, it is basically Deputy Nelson's body cam and the interaction that I had with him. So don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button, all that good stuff. Soliaker, deuces.
I just got told that the ordinance, the city let lapse.
About like when I came off that bridge.
Can you help getting back up? Alright.
I came off that bridge, and where your cars are parked, that's where I walked up. Like, it would be almost impossible for me to see that sign from where I walked up. And I'm once again, you're saying ignorance is not part of the law. I get it. That's why I'm like, hey, like, help me out. Like, I fucked up. Yeah, I get it. But, you know, I'm trying to say, hey, I'm willing to leave. I'm not trying to say I'm not going to argue about it. I'm just saying, hey, I didn't know that I couldn't fish here. And same thing with that other public park across the bridge. I don't know if that is fishing allowed. But I was planning on fishing there too, and I didn't know. And I still don't know.
Fishing is open in St. Paul Lucie, right?
What?
Fishing is open in St. Paul Lucie.
Yeah, the water's dirty right now. They just opened up all the locks where all they're dumping is that discharge water. So it's like hard for me to go and try to catch fish for my family in dirty ass water, you know?
So you're catching fish to keep it?
Yeah.
Where's your cooler?
But all I have to do is catch 2 fish.
No, I'm just wondering.
Not my backpack. Like, my goal is to catch fish and leave.
What do you fish for?
Snapper, right now, snook's out of season, grouper, flounder, but there's not too many flounder around here, down south.
That's more north.
Yeah. You don't have any redfish, so it's mainly just snapper and grouper down here. And I usually fish the bridges, but I can't fish that bridge underneath over there, I guess. Right?
Yeah, you can't fish the bridges.
Yeah, I know. I saw the signs. That's why I didn't stop on the bridge, and that's why, like, I legitimately try to follow the signs and follow the rules, and I just didn't see any, like, this whole, or at least where I was at. I can't say the whole thing. I didn't look all the way down on the end, but where I was at underneath this little tree, there wasn't any signs. You know what I mean?
Broadside, you can cancel my 9-4, having 10-4.
Bravo 5 straight.
What are you looking at, man?
Porn.
Huh?
His wife doing porn.
Yeah. That's
She's
nice.
good at it though. You sure you don't want to sit up, man? I'll help you sit up if you want.
It's just really my shoulder, man. Like, I got a really bad shoulder.
Which shoulder?
The left one.
And your the left one? All right.
Yeah. It's just, the longer it sits, like, you know, behind me like that, it just starts to throb and throb and throb, man.
Okay.
Like
well,
I said,
if at any time you need any type of medical attention, let us know and we'll get fire rescue out here for you.
I'm really not trying to go that route.
No, I'm just saying, if you're in pain and you think you need fire rescue, let us know and we will be more than happy to call you fire rescue.
I know.
14 of me.
Bravo 798 Charlie.
1409.
Tango 15.
11 Tango 15.
Tango 15 is 10-7.
1409.
Third person.
I really don't think you need to arrest me for friggin' not understanding that I didn't friggin'.
If you want to talk technically, it started in your zone.
How?
Marina.
Nobody in my zone called about it.
Just saying.
It's hearsay at that point. It's hearsay. Allegedly. Nobody called from my zone.
Facts.
Nobody from my zone called about it.
Well, technically, they did.
No.
No. Open your door.
It should be open, Sarge.
I guess I'm going to jail.
I'm not the one making that decision right now.
So you said open the door, so.
That's something else.
anything about the pressure off the left shoulder? Man?
I mean, I'm not a doctor. I don't know what position is gonna make your shoulder feel better.
I'm just saying if you can hook me in the front. Whatever.
No, unfortunately, our policy states we gotta hook you in the back, man.
No, left Bravo 1, still 10.
10-4.
14 12. 13 Bravo 3.
Bravo 1? Yeah.
Are you whistling?
Huh? No, that's my phone. Is there any way I can answer that?
Nah, man.
It might be probably my wife.
Yeah, you have to wait.
Yeah, unfortunately, we're not gonna answer that for you, man.
Please?
We don't want to
That's fine.
breach any of your private information there.
You're not gonna impede my. I'm asking.
That's a no from me, man.
I'm giving you the.
That's a no from me, man. I'm not touching your phone.
I mean, I can answer it if you just let me get it.
The reason I say that, I'm pretty sure it's starting because the caller was from the park.
No, from that part.
That part.
Oh.
So technically.
It's like looking across Dixie. Happening area too.
That's okay. Okay, you got it there. You got it there. Okay, I'll give you that.
Yeah. That's what I'm trying to keep it safe. Oh, it's that park.
Yeah, that's the one in that's on like I forgot what.
Lighthouse Point. Like,
No. Lighthouse
up
Point's the
there.
one. Yeah.
That's the one. I know exactly. I had 21 there just a few days ago.
Oh,
Last
vehicle.
week. Yeah.
Typically, that park is really nice. If you ever go there, they have like a long passageway like around. It's actually nice.
It's really nice. It's hidden. I didn't even know it was there.
You wouldn't know that's there unless like you live in that little neighborhood. There's like no signs that say anything about parks.
Yep.
There's nothing. Now, I was wondering why. Forgot they had to wait for the bridge.
That should fit, no?
Nah, the little what is that? Yeah, the weather radar thing on the top, the dome. Yo, it won't let them go by.
you could add a second set of cuffs to loosen it up a little?
Unfortunately, no, man.
You can't add a second set of cuffs behind the back?
We only do that in exigent circumstances where we cannot cuff somebody with just one pair.
I'm not trying to run. I'm just trying to relieve some of the stress, man.
I understand, man.
I don't want you to have to call paramedics for this, man. I honestly don't. I just need a little relief.
Unfortunately, we can't, man. There's been way too many incidents where people are able to slip out of handcuffs and cause harm to other officers.
I'm not trying to slip out of anything.
Well, we don't know anyone's intentions, so we got to take every precaution possible. Do you need help to get up?
I just need, like, I don't know what else to do at this point other than my shoulder's really starting to throb.
If at any point you need medical attention, let us know.
Yeah. It's almost to that point, man.
Well, whenever you feel like you want fire rescue, you let us know and we'll get them out here.
I don't know what they can do if you can't help relieve the pain. You know what I mean?
Even them, they're not gonna come out. And
I know
do
they
X-rays
can't.
on your shoulder.
They're gonna tell me the same thing, and I don't know.
Say your vitals are good. You're good to go. That's what we're gonna tell you.
They'll give you an ice pack if you want an ice pack.
Do this to fucking do anything. I do this because it's my right. That's why I do it. To protect myself, and it's my right. Go ahead. Go ahead and give him a call, guys.
What happened?
Give him a call.
You want fire rescue?
I don't.
It does. Yeah, it has a little one that you can't really see it, but it has a little motor in the bottom. That's pretty much as fast as it goes.
Yep. Unless it has.
Unless it has the sails, yeah.
That's an art.
I can't. Just seeing them like half like sideways, like almost like I can't, man. I'll get so seasick in one of those.
That's real boating.
Nah, that's sailing. That's not boating. That's sailing. I can't.
That's sailing. Moana in that.
Have you seen the competitions they do of that? It's crazy.
What do you do for work?
I'm a chef.
Chef?
Yeah.
Where at?
The restaurant in Fort Pierce.
Nice.
What type of food?
Seafood.
Seafood?
Yeah.
What's your favorite fish to cook?
All of them.
All of them?
What's that fish that looks like a steak if you know how to cook it correctly? It looks all fucking pink from the inside.
Swordfish, salmon.
Is it?
I mean, it depends on what it looks like.
It looks like steak. The fillet of it. I see some people cook it. It looks like a piece of steak.
I don't know,
Pink from the
man.
inside and then
The only real like red pink fish I know of is salmon. But swordfish could be pink too.
Seriously, guys, do we have to really go through all this right now? I thought we'd be done with this by now.
tight squeeze because of that tree.
Our fire system a lot bigger. Compared to some other cities.
Yeah. They're like longer.
Yeah, longer.
You need help getting up?
I'm just trying to find some happy place for my shoulder, man.
Okay. Well, fire rescue's here, so hopefully they
What
can.
are they gonna do?
Well,
you can't help me right now.
they're the medical professionals, right? Maybe they know something we don't, and they could find a comfortable spot for you or soothe your shoulder in some way.
Take you to jail for the city ordinance at this time. Okay? You understand that?
Thank you.
From this point forward, at the advice of our city attorney and our captain, I am trespassing, giving you an official trespass warning from all parks in the city of city of
Pompano.
all the cities I've worked in. City of Pompano. So you are no longer permitted. That means the beach is one of our parks.
Yeah.
Anything that is governed by the city of Pompano Beach, if you come back to another park and you are stopped within the confines of that park, including the parking lot, you will go to jail. No questions asked. It's called trespass after warning.
I just, can I get that just so I have it?
We'll give you the case number for it.
Please, I just want, if you can give me the trespass, I'll gladly take it. I'm not.
It's a verbal trespass warning, and I document it in the computer, and then your name's in there. So when we stop you, if you're in a city of Pompano Beach park,
I got it.
All right,
I got it, man.
they look your name up, and they say, guess what?
Mike was in this park.
On the 27th at 1:11, you were given a warning and told not to return to any of our parks.
Forever.
Forever. I'm doing a report, all right? So it's on record that you were in violation of the ordinance.
I get it, man.
So, like you said, have a heart.
I get it. Thank you.
Okay?
Case number 7965. 7965.
All right, here you go, man. That's gonna be the case card. That's the number, the case number for which you're trespassing. Okay.
Thank you for being professional, dude. I appreciate you for being professional. Like I said,
But just so you know, Mike,
I get it, guys.
just listen to me for 1 second. When I came up, all I wanted was your name and date of birth to make sure you weren't a convicted felon. I wasn't going to run your serial numbers on your guns or anything else. Look, I've been through this game before.
Hey, Sarge,
We've had people come
he
down
said that
to
he
the
parked over there at the marina.
You know
Wouldn't
what?
doubt it.
So,
He
if
can
anything,
walk.
no, of course he's gonna walk. I'm just saying, I don't know if you want him walking with those. I mean, perfectly legal, I get it, but I can meet him over there with him. Just wait for him to get in the car and put him in the car if he agrees to it.
If I'm not doing nothing to nobody, if I'm
We're not
hurting
doing
nobody.
it. We're not
Or you
doing
can do
it
that.
as a point of law. We're doing it because we have to say that we made contact with you and that we checked you out.
Yeah, it's a different
and that
buffer
you
system
weren't
because of
a
the
felon.
butt
Because
stock.
look at our point from a vicarious liability. We come out here, we don't run your name, you don't tell us anything. You got this rifle out here, and then you do a mass shooting.
Seriously?
Now I would
Disassemble
lose.
the Glock.
Seriously? You had to break it down like that, dude.
Yeah, so it'll fit in your
Okay.
backpack.
You could have just folded it. It's a folding adapter, dude. I get it, dude.
All right.
I get it. You don't have to tell me no.
It's a vicarious liability thing. It's not a state law thing. You're not going to find that in the law book.
Your sheriff here friggin' didn't go. That's the thing about Warren, or not even, what is it? Warren versus District of Columbia. The police have no obligation to protect the public. You have no obligation to protect me. I am up to my own decision.
Young man,
I'm
has
not,
he given you a trespass warning?
Yes, he is. And I'm
Okay,
trying-
that's one.
Thank you.
This is two. The third time you're going to jail. Please get your things and leave.
I'm trying,
Have a
man.
good
You guys
day.
broke my shit down.
Go ahead.
Right. So it'll fit in the backpack so we don't have any more phone calls about you.
Guys, like,
Have a good day, gentlemen.
I know. I'm one-handed right now, man.
Fit everything in your backpack and sling it over your shoulder. You're a good one.
I don't even know where my sling is. You guys took
It's
everything.
in your
back.
backpack.
Everything's
All
in
of
your
your
back.
property's in your backpack. Only thing we removed
Phone,
from
your
your
cameras are all in the front pocket.
13 Bravo 3.
5119 White Metal Golf, left of Purple.
1438.
Unreal.
But just keep this thought in mind. It's stuff like this that gives the anti-gunners even more ammunition to throw at us. give you a third warning. You're going
I'm
to jail.
I'm trying to document this shit, man. What do you want from me, man? I'm trying to
I
go
want you
as
to
fast
leave
as I
so
can.
we can leave. We've got other calls pending.
You can go ahead and leave, man. I'm not trying to hurt nobody. Dude, you disassembled all my firearms, man. What do you want from me? I'm one-handed.
Because we've told you to
I'm
leave.
one-handed.
We told you to leave the park. You
I
have all
am
your stuff in the bag.
I'm trying
Pick
to...
up your stuff and go. You can, when you get back to your car, wherever you parked it,
Dude,
then you can put your stuff back together and you can drive back to Port St. Lucie.
Dude. What's fucking real, dude?
There's a Bravo 39 stuff.
14
Even, sling.
God damn it, guys.
Liability 610-8.
1441.
Have a good day. Leave the park.
I'm leaving the park, man. Fucking guys are fucking kind of surrounding me. I'm too scared, dude.
Going off.